Alright, Pixler-O-Matic. This is like another take on Pixlr. It's kind of cool. I'm digging this. Some of the options that we have, like it makes it look like you're in a dark room. A couple different saving sizes. Pretty cool. Tap the double, go back. I can use these shuffles till eternity, basically. A roulette. You can make a game out of it, like tap that 70 times. No, who wants to play that game? Too much. Too much. But the cool thing is, let's say I like this filter and options here. If I didn't like the framing, I can choose the frame and just go to old or Perga, like that. And then save it again, save again. It looks like I'm in a dark room, a dark room. Let's see, and then I can head back here and shuffle some stuff. Again, if I didn't like that filter, I can change it there. If I don't like the light leak, I can change it there. Or if I think, hey, this light leak would actually look way better with the cyborg and that filter and that border, boom. So, pretty cool. Definitely did play with this quite a bit. It sucks there's no pinch and zoom. Kind of sucks it's limited in that way. It works best for portrait because if you're in landscape like this, because if you're in a portrait mode, a lot of these things will get distorted, which may or may not work. And what's really cool is actually seems like all the freebies in these downloads, it's all free, everything. You want to do the lights, you can. I pretty much installed a whole bunch of them. I think I do all of them. Yeah, I literally installed everything available. Except for frames. I'm not a huge fan of frames, and there's only 30 borders in the first place. Go into the store. Yeah. Oh, there's more here for light leaks and stuff and patterns. But the question is, yeah, sure, let's do the flags. Olga. Time to install Olga. Some grungy ones. Leaking HD. Definitely all about more lens leaks. Space, paper, castle, tie-dyes. That doesn't even look like tie-dye. Why would they call it tie-dye? More light painting. Neon options, overlays. Vignettes. Lots of options for the vignettes. Yeah, let's try more bokeh options. I want to see more of those. That's one of the main things that I was looking for, is just more apps that have nice bokehs. Bokeh looking options. So let's head back. And I can choose. Oh, that's the beginning. Let's go to the end. That's actually kind of cool. In a washed out kind of way. Oh, that looks kind of slick, but now with that background, let's see if I can make it not be all that poppy. If I go to a darker one. This is not ideal, I guess. Ah, kind of cool, but still washed out. Kind of looks like an angel that way, right? Not even mad. Save that. That's taking a long time. I guess that's kind of cool, because if it's a black and white, it can give the appearance of colors. Like you might think you're seeing a skin tone in there when you're actually not. Not one bit. Anyways, let's go back to the light leaks, because I was trying to find. Yeah, buddy. There's the flag ones. That flag looks cool for the Argentina.
Okay, one more time. Okay, now we are good.
Viva la France! America! So this would be good for your celebration of 4th of July coming up soon. Hope you guys all have a great 4th of July. Or if you're in the rest of the part of the world, then whatever else you guys celebrate. Not cause... Never mind, I got nothing. Alright, we definitely got a... Baby! It's pretty much always my children's first words. Baby! Oh, we're spinning. What are you doing? Spinning the office chair, don't do it!